We've been able to wirelessly charge our phones for quite some time, but I want to wirelessly charge my tablet. I hate plugging it in. Amazon offers their garbage Fire tablets with that capacity this year, and Samsung also is adding it, as well as Google. iPhone friends, you're out of luck still, unless you have this. You can add this little thing, $20 from Amazon, stick it in the USB port, plug it in, hide it behind your manliest of manly covers. Oh yeah, check this thing out. Jump over to SolidWorks, build up something kind of cool, then run over into your 3D printing software and start slicing things up. I managed to do it mostly without supports. And then, 10, 15 hours on the printer, and all of a sudden you've got something kind of cool. The orange parts snap into the gray parts in 4 different places per leg, so they're not coming back off. And then I added a little basket in the center to hold the charging puck. And then add another $20 and you get a generic USB Qi charging puck from Amazon again. And throw your tablet in. And boom, wirelessly charging. I take no for an answer very poorly. I get what I want.